Hey, what is up, you guys? It's your boy Jason, and welcome back to MyGlamm. Today, I'm gonna do the left hand makeup challenge. The first thing I'm gonna do is, as always, define my eyes. So I'm gonna take a neutral brown, circular motion to blend it out. This is when I develop respect for people who are lefty. Next, I'm gonna take this precise flat eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna go with gold foil eyeshadow. I'm gonna go with the first blending brush that I use just to soften the edges. It's time for cheeks. I'm gonna use the CHISEL highlighter for my cheekbones. For lips, I'm gonna use Wild Wild Country from the Lift collection. And I'm done. I think I pretty much nailed it, but it's you who's gonna decide this. So if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such videos.